Hello kids, welcome to Kids Science here at GBS TV, where we learn, we laugh, and we explore. I'm your teacher, Teacher Paul, and today we are learning, or we are continuing learning, how to sign alphabets in Kenyan Sign Language. So today we are learning 3 more letters from where we stopped last lesson. So today we are learning how to sign letter V, and then W, and then letter X. So have a book and a pen with you as we continue learning these 3 letters. I remind you that when you sign alphabets, you use your active hand, okay? So let us start signing letter V. For you to sign letter V, very easy, you have to sign letter U first so that you can move to letter V. So, do you remember how to sign letter U, kids? Yes, I hope you remember. So, this is how you sign letter U. This is letter U. So, for you to sign letter V, you just separate these 2 fingers, and then it changes to letter V. So, this being letter U, then separating, it changes to letter V. Are we together? Yes. The next letter, it is letter W. Letter W, you use your open palm, and then you fold these 2 fingers. Then you remain with the 3 fingers just in the same position. That's how you sign letter W. Okay? Yes, so this is letter W. The next letter, it is letter X. Letter X, use your open palm, then you fold 4 fingers like this. You remain with extended index finger, and then you curve it like this. You can see, you curve it like, or you just make a hook shape. Okay? So this is how you sign letter X. Are we together? Yes. So let us start signing the 3 letters, starting from letter V. Your open palm, then these 2 fingers, you just separate them. This is letter V. The next letter, it is letter W. Open palm, you fold these 2 fingers, and then you make letter W. The next letter, it is letter X. Your open palm, you fold the 4 fingers, then you remain with extended index finger, you just fold it like a hook. So this is how you sign letter X. So let us sign now simultaneously these 3 letters. So you say V, W, X. Again, V, W, X. So, until we meet again the next lesson, where now we are going to conclude signing the alphabets in Kenyan Sign Language. Please continue practicing these 3 letters, and also you may start from letter A up to letter X. Are we together, kids? So until we meet again, I'm your teacher, Teacher Paul, here at GBS TV, where we learn, we laugh, and we explore. Bye-bye.